Everybody, good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning. It is a bit of a foggy start across a large part of the area. Some places a little dense fog, but some places it's just kind of just light fog. We saw this yesterday morning as well. This is something that could actually slow down the warming a little bit this morning, but eventually it's going to burn off, and once it does, the sun will come out and it will start to heat up out here for today. We're going to see some warmer temperatures out there today in most spots. Yesterday, the hottest temperatures were in southeast Nebraska in the 90s. Today, we're going to see more widespread 90s around the majority of the area. Tonight, a quiet night. I am not expecting redeveloping fog out there. It should be a mostly clear night. Winds lighter as well after kind of a breezy afternoon. In fact, I'll back this up a little bit here. Let's go to this afternoon. The winds will be out of the south today at around 15 miles per hour or so, maybe some gusts a little over 20 miles per hour at times. But again, the winds will die down a little bit tonight. Maybe still a little breezy in eastern Nebraska. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at a lot of sunshine again and some very hot temperatures out ahead of a cold front. That cold front is going to be right about here at the end of the afternoon, just making its way through the Tri-Cities, but it's passing through late enough there should not be an effect. And in fact, right ahead of that cold front is where I expect the hottest temperatures to be tomorrow. It's going to be a scorcher, and we could be pushing into record territory tomorrow. As we get into tomorrow night, we'll see increasing clouds behind that cold front as we head through the overnight hours into Wednesday morning. And after midnight, there is going to be at least a chance of rain and isolated thunderstorms across parts of the area. Now, as we take a look at what you can expect here the next couple of days temperature-wise, okay, we've got hot temperatures on the way, but probably not record territory. Highs mostly in the 90s, some upper 80s up north, getting close to 100 down in Kansas, just very close to the local Fort viewing area. Tonight, a mild night, 50s out west, 60s in the middle, some low 70s off towards the east and southeast. And then tomorrow is where we have a better chance of setting some records out there. Just for the Tri-Cities, and I don't have Kearney's number, but Grand Island, the record high is 95 degrees, so we should break that. The record in Hastings is 96 degrees, so we'll be awfully close to tying or breaking a record tomorrow in Hastings. And there will be other records that will be tied or broken around the area. I don't know what the records are. I'm guessing it's not 101 degrees in Lincoln, so more than likely that should be a record. I'll have to check that out, but I'll let you know tomorrow more about that. But it's going to be a scorcher out ahead of that cold front. You can see the cooler air off to the northwest. Temperatures there in the 80s. That's the beginning of the cool down, the much cooler air under our banner and to the north of that. That's what's going to be on its way for Wednesday. And in fact, by Wednesday morning, we're down in the 50s and 60s. So again, we're not getting at the really cool air yet. But look at the highs on Wednesday itself with clouds around, showers, highs only in the 60s, maybe some low 70s in the southeast. So it is going to be a much, much different ball game on Wednesday. And check out the long range here. We've got temperatures that are going to be much cooler for a few days. We've got a decent shot at some showers. This favors southern Nebraska, northern Kansas. I'll show you some of the long range models in just a bit. But Wednesday, and still some chances off and on all the way through Thursday and Friday morning. So off and on chances of rain. Probably not too much lightning and thunder, maybe a little bit on Wednesday. I don't think we'll see a whole lot. I'm not concerned about any severe weather threat. But look at Thursday, the first day of fall. We will struggle to even try to get out of the 50s, probably stuck in the 50s for highs on Thursday. Friday, the sun might come out in the afternoon to get us up into the lower 70s. A warmer day on Saturday, 82 degrees there, and then a cold front, another one comes through Saturday night. That one probably does not bring us moisture. The chances don't look very good right now. Maybe a few extra clouds Saturday night, but it will be about 10 or so degrees cooler for the second half of the weekend on Sunday as we get our next little cool down early next week. And that shows up on the long range. So you see the huge plunge in temperatures after tomorrow. So Wednesday, especially Thursday, much cooler. Temperatures start to come back up by Saturday. We're back to the low 80s. Then that next smaller drop, not as big of a change, but a drop in temperatures for Sunday, and then the slow climb back upwards early next week. So by the middle of next week, we may be back above average once again. A couple long-range forecast models to end things with here, just to show you what the precipitation chances are looking like over the next couple of days. So again, not much between today and Wednesday morning. We may see a little bit late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. There's 7 a.m. Wednesday. But the chances will pick up during the day on Wednesday. And it favors southern Nebraska, northern Kansas here. Not as good of a chance farther to the north and northeast. As we get towards Thursday morning, we'll take you through Thursday and Thursday night. More showers, isolated. Probably not much for lightning and thunder. Some of that lingers into Friday morning, but by Friday afternoon clears out. Then there's that cold front right there. And I can back it up real quick here. Here's the cold front passing through Saturday night. Not much moisture with it. Will probably stay dry. Back to dry conditions and a little bit cooler Monday, Tuesday, but temperatures will slowly start to warm back up. That's the European model. Here is the GFS model. Again, not much the next couple of days, but by early Wednesday morning, maybe some showers. Notice again, favoring southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, Wednesday into Wednesday night. Still some lingering around Thursday night into Friday morning. And then Friday morning, I'll just kind of take this out slowly, manually here. Friday morning and then afternoon, we should see things dry out. And we're looking at mainly dry weather. Saturday night, there's that cold front, but probably not much moisture again. And then Sunday, cooler. And then we'll start to warm things up Monday and Tuesday with mainly dry weather expected. So, kind of an interesting couple of days, a roller coaster ride. It's the swings of fall as you start to trend cooler and cooler, but not the next couple of days, at least, like I said. Record high territory for Tuesday, then the big drop in temperatures for the end of the week. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I will see you all again on Tuesday with all of the latest. Until then, thank you and for watching, and enjoy your day. We'll see you all again. Bye.